Hi guys, Frank here from Open Habitat. Just sharing with you one of our latest projects. This structure, 7 by 5 meters. This is where we do the fabric roof. Well, it's not actually fabric, it can be fabric, but this roof system is actually acrylic, so it's extremely thin, fire retardant as well, thin, very strong, and extremely easy to clean, so excellent for maintenance. You can have a look here. This was fitted a few weeks ago. Got 1 or 2 leaves on here, which is not an issue. If you look carefully, you can actually see there's a slight curve in the structure, so rainwater hits the top and it runs off the sides, and very much like our extruded aluminium products, the rainwater runs discreetly into the side gutters here, and the rainwater then finds its way all the way down the downpost and into the garden. A lot of people are always a bit anxious about having acrylic, and so they ask us, is it worth going for acrylic or extruded aluminium? The short answer is both are equally good. Yes, the aluminium might be slightly easier to maintain, but the truth is with these acrylic ones, you cannot walk on it like with the aluminium one, but as long as you have a pair of steps with an extendable pole, you can use a very mild detergent which will clean it very easily. And of course, these also open at a push of a button. Yeah, so as you can see, once again, gives you a window to the sky at a push of a button, which is what it's all about, open air culture. And this particular model we did in volcano grey, which ties in with the house, the main structure of the house, beautifully. And it just gives you this extra zone at the end of the garden. Our clients didn't want glass or integrated blinds, but of course those are optional. You can see the nice LED blue lighting. This is RGB, so it's color changing, and with RGB you get cool white and warm white, so great color options, fully dimmable, so you can set the intensity of the lighting. And yeah, it's a great space if you want to, your outdoor leisure area at the back of your garden. It creates a nice cozy zone and yeah, shelter from the elements. So if you're doing outdoor grilling, alfresco dining, you're going to have protection, and these all come with rain sensors, so if there's rain, it will automatically close your roof system.